There were 4 of us. My sister, Mr. Lone, an elderly gentleman who worked part-time for us, Charlie and myself. When we realised how serious it had become and saw from the showroom window what enormous waves were tearing by, we climbed down the drapery counter, which was the highest, taking 8 large biscuit tins with us, on which to stand if the water rose above the counter, which it soon did. We had rescued and lit 2 candles, which was fortunate, as all lights went out. For 4 hours we stood watching stock gradually sink into the water. A bag of sugar, which had been raised onto a chair, Quaker oats, soup powder, eggs, apples, biscuits, anything that would float, found its way into the middle of the shop, which was like a boiling cauldron. Gradually the water subsided, and about 10:30 p.m. Charlie got off the counter to see if we could get into the house.